I'm Allison from the GitHub Copilot team. One of the first bits of feedback we got on Copilot was from developers with mobility impairments. They were excited about the possibilities of coding productivity with less typing at a keyboard. Our research team at GitHub has taken this one step further. Let's show you what they've been working on. Copilot, toggle active mode.
I started active mode.
What does the linspace method do?
The linspace method is used to generate a list of evenly spaced numbers over a specified interval. It takes 3 arguments.
What are those 3 arguments?
The 3 arguments for the linspace method are the start value, the end value, and the number of elements in the list.
Select lines 5 to 6. Change the variable array to data. Accept. Plot the cosine of the data. Accept. Set a breakpoint at line 10. Start debugging. What is the value of the variable data? Step over. Continue debugging. Run program. So what I just demoed there was how we can use the power of Copilot and the new Copilot chat functionality to allow us to develop within Visual Studio Code. We can navigate around the editor, ask questions of Copilot, and run programs, all with just our voice. No keyboard necessary. We're continuing to work with developers across the world to see how this technology can help them in their everyday lives. And we're looking to bring the results of this research into Visual Studio Code and Copilot in the future. In the meantime, if you'd like to give this a try, please sign up for the waitlist to get notified when we're bringing on new people. We love feedback on ways in which we can help reduce the barriers to coding for more and more people. Copilot, stop recording.